Hey there. Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. As you can see, I sound a little bit under the weather. Um, what I thought was supposed to be an either productive or even restful evening last night turned into absolute chaos. Um, Nelson came back with the two older kids. They decided to get some takeout on the way home, and it did not sit well with my son. And the irony is that I had cleaned the entire bathroom yesterday. I washed the rugs, cleaned everything, and my poor son puked everywhere. Like, he did not make it to the toilet. Nothing. It was all over the sink. It was all over the vanity. It was all over the rugs. It was all over the floor. It was everywhere, and it was a lot. So, to top it off, we ran out of paper towels. I did not have enough or any rags, really, to clean up, unfortunately, the mess. And yeah, unfortunately, he just couldn't keep it down and it just came back up. And it was like instant. I don't think he even knew it was coming. It just happened like that. And yeah, poor kid. His stomach is feeling better. I don't know if maybe the food didn't sit well, something was not cooked correctly. I don't know. But yeah, he ate and it just didn't stay down. Um, so this morning I'm already washing stuff, clothes, and I still have to wash the rugs. Um that's on the to do, but unfortunately, poor guy, he had gotten it on his clothes last night and I'm just trying to, get everything started. Man, I can't even like think right now. I did already go to Dollar General. We have like a Dollar General like 5 minutes away. It's actually very close, which is very nice that we have that. And you know, um, I got toilet bowl cleaner because I needed some more. I got rags because apparently I needed some. I bought paper towels because we were out. I even bought, what was it? Oh, I bought like scent boosters for the clothes just so that I can make sure that nothing smells like vomit because, oh my gosh. Um, and then also while I was there, since I was there, the parents for the cheerleading squad volunteer to make them dinners before they go to the games because most of the time they can't really go home and eat and then go back to the games because here when you have an away game it's pretty far. So on Tuesday of next week I'm signed up to make the girls dinner. So I got a couple of containers that were disposable that I can put the food in because I just happened to be there and passed by the aisles and saw them. I still need one more container for dessert, but at least that's also done. And then I also picked up a poster board for my 9-year-old who has a science project and hasn't started yet. Good thing it's due next week. So we have some time to work on it. We have a few days. So I went ahead and got the poster board so that we can start the process. Just random things that I went and got this morning. It's 10 o'clock right now. Baby is just waking up. That was another thing last night. She would not go to sleep. It was a rough night. I did not get to go to sleep till about, I think, almost 1. She just wasn't having it. And she was fine. She's actually better as far as her cold or the little cough that she had. She's fine now, but last night she was just restless and unhappy and irritated and it took me a while to put her to sleep after the chaos in the bathroom. So I am running on fumes right now, and this is probably why I sound so stuffy because I think my body is just, it's at its wit's end. It can't take it anymore. So I am, after I give her her bottle this morning, I think I'm gonna have my coffee. I still have some bagels from Panera. I put them in some Ziploc bags after I brought them home, so they're still nice and fresh. So I think I'm just gonna have a bagel and some coffee after I feed her. And then hopefully, I hope that today is a lot less hectic. We do have to pick up the kids in about an hour and 45 minutes because they have early release today because of parent-teacher conferences. It's going to be another long day because they go for several hours in the afternoon and into the evening. And since we have to go to 2 different schools, we have to split up our time. So that's kind of what's going on today. I also need to figure out what I'm going to make for dinner. If I'm going to be able to roast a chicken that I was supposed to roast yesterday, but I couldn't. The days are full. It's chaotic, but hey, that's the season we're in. All right, so the kids are here. They're back from school. We're all kind of having a light lunch, some just sandwiches before we head off to parent teacher conferences. We haven't really done too much. I was able to clean the bathroom again, like my third time in less than 2 days. So I did that, and I've got everything washing. I got the second load washing, so that should be everything that was affected by the incidents from yesterday. um, while that was going and the kids came home, we started to brainstorm the idea for my daughter's school project, and we're all kind of excited about it. It's going to be fun. The other 2 kids were helping me with ideas and stuff as well. So we at least now have what we're going to do and all of the like the animals and sea creatures that we're going to involve in the project. So now we have to start like printing out stuff and collecting data on them so that we can share it for her school project, which is going to be fun because we haven't done a project like this since I can remember. So we're going to go ahead and finish having a quick lunch. We're going to get ready. I think I'm just going to change because I've got like, after we're done eating, I am going to most likely change because I've got my work clothes where I was cleaning stuff up. And then I'm going to change the baby, make sure I feed her before we leave, and we'll be off. So it's been a while since I last came on here, and I'm pretty sure you guys can tell. So we went down to the parent-teacher conferences in both schools, and everything is great there. Kids are doing, great in school. They have some amazing teachers. I mean, they have some of them are just really amazing, and we're so glad that our kids are with them in their school. One of the things that we did tonight, also after the parent-teacher conference meetings, was actually hear a speaker that the principal had brought down, and his name is Steve Webb. I believe that's Webb. And he's a gentleman, Dr. Steve Webb. And he speaks about like the dangers of social media, like all the things that parents aren't aware are happening, or how certain apps are being used to target children. And we got some amazing information tonight. I know there was so much that I learned from sitting down and listening to this gentleman speak. One of the things also that was very interesting, and I'll share this with you all because I do think it's a great thing to know because it was something that my husband and I both didn't know about. But there's this website called www.stopcrime.com. And the way this gentleman uses it is whenever he's going to travel, because he does speaking engagements all over the country. And let's say you have to travel for business, or you're going on vacation, or you're visiting a new city and you've, never been there before. You can look up the city that you're going to go stay at, or like the area you're going to go stay at, and it will tell you like how much crime is in that area. So, if there's a space that you want to avoid, then okay, nope, maybe I should look at this part of town, or maybe I'll look at the beach up the road instead of staying there. So that was one thing that we didn't know about. And he says, again, because he believes that whenever you take your family to a location, you want to make sure you know what the, area is like. So that was one thing that we took away that we had no idea and that we're going to be using from now on whenever we go visit a city or a town or, vacation, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, for just that bit of information, it was totally worth it. Of course, we got so much more than that. I'm still a little bit under the weather. My nose is stuffed now, so I don't know. I hope it goes soon. My kids are actually outside with their dad. I'm hiding in the bathroom, so it's not as noisy. And so after that, we got done. We went to both McDonald's and Taco Bell because those are like the only fast food places in our town. That's all we got. So some of us wanted to go to McDonald's, the other one wanted to go to Taco Bell. So we just went to both. And then we came up and now we're here, getting our clothes and everything ready for school tomorrow. And I wanted to go ahead and just sign off because even though I still have to get the clothes ready for school tomorrow, I am feeling so down and under the weather that I just want to go ahead and, take a shower, put my PJs on, get the clothes ready, finish editing my video for tomorrow, and then just go into bed. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Until then, adios.